Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's credit builder tools. So let's get straight into the video. So these tools provide a simple and effective way to build credit. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use them. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. And once you're logged into your account, of course, you can log in on the mobile app or on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on Credit Builder, and then you want to select Activate Credit Builder. Now, once that's activated, you can view your Credit Builder options and apply for a Credit Builder loan. And all you got to do is make on-time payments to help you build credit. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's credit builder tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.